Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to upgrade your Google storage or unlock premium benefits like VPN, expert support and automatic backups? In this video I'll guide you step by step on how to get a Google One membership, the different plans available and the benefits of upgrading. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to go to Google One website. Once you do that, just open your web browser and then visit one.google.com by typing in Google One on your search bar. Now once you click here, once you access the website, click on sign up. Now as you can see, I signed up for, using my account's credentials and my Google account. The second step is to choose a plan, and to do that, just click on get more storage or upgrade. Just look for these options. You can also click on storage right here and click on get more storage. Now here Google offers different plans. It offers the basic plan that gives you 100 gigabytes, the premium that gives you 2 terabytes plus unlimited Magic Editor that saves in Google Photos and Google Workspace premium features, and the AI Premium that has 2 terabytes, and this gives you a lot of features, of AI features. Each plan shows the monthly and yearly pricing. As you can see underneath the name plan, you're gonna see the prices. The third step is to select the payment method, and once you choose your plan, for example I'm gonna choose this one, just click on continue, click on agree, and then choose a payments method. You can choose credit or a debit card or Google Play balance or PayPal if supported in your country. And after that click on subscribe to complete the purchase. The fourth step and the final one is just to enjoy Google One benefits. You now have extra storage for Gmail, Drive and Photos, and you have access to Google One VPN, and you get priority customer support from Google. And you can also use family sharing to share storage with up to 5 people. Google One offers free trials sometimes, like you see here. There's a free trial on the AI Premium that has 2 terabytes of storage. Check if you qualify before paying. And if you cancel your plan, you keep your storage until the end of the billing cycle. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you get a Google One membership. Just go to the website, choose a plan, pay and enjoy the premium features. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.